416. So for this one, based on the adjusted trial balance, we have to prepare an income statement, a statement of retained earnings, and a classified balance sheet. So this one's a little bit longer. All right, the first thing we need to do is income, because we need to have net income so that we can do the statement of retained earnings. And we have to do the statement of retained earnings so we have retained earnings so that we can do the balance sheet. I may have to break this one up into 2 videos because YouTube doesn't, and my internet don't like it when I have really long videos. Okay, so I'm gonna do the income statement over here on this side. I'll probably have to shift papers around a little bit, so please forgive me. I don't have the best setup for this. All right, so service revenue. Well, let's see. We need green advertising services. How do you like that abbreviation? What a gas. All right, income statement. Income statements have for the year ended dateline. All right, so I'm starting with service revenue. Was $49,800. And I have my expenses. All right, my expenses are salary, supplies, depreciation, and advertising. $28,600, $84,000, $29,000, $13,000, and $13,500. And hopefully I'm copying all the numbers correctly, because if I don't, then it's not going to work out when I get to the end. All right, so I total that up. So my total expenses are $54,700. And what's going to happen to these guys? Do revenue minus expenses, $49,800 minus $54,700. I have a net loss because the expenses are more than the revenue. They have a net loss of $4,900. I'm going to do my statement of retained earnings over here. All right, so for the statement of retained earnings, I have gas again. Statement of retained earnings. It also is for the year ended. All right, we start off with retained earnings at January 1st. They have a regular calendar year. All right, that's what this number is. No. Yes, that's what this is. This is our old beginning retained earnings. All right, 31,400. All right, to that, we add or subtract net income or net loss. In this case, we're going to subtract our net loss. So it's 26,500 is my subtotal. Then I subtract dividends. You could do net loss and dividends and just subtract them at once. That would be fine. Their dividends are $18,300. For not making any money, they paid themselves a pretty good dividend. It's $8,200. And that is my retained earnings at December 31st of 18. and I'm going to do the balance sheet in another video.